Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2023 Ford Bronco Sport in an Outer Banks trim, powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency with four-wheel drive capability, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well. But let's take a look inside. Looking into the back, we have a nice spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. You have these little tie-down points with lassos on them on either side. 12-volt power outlet, the power button for your cargo lights that can be articulated to shine where you need them. And then underneath this rugged cargo floor, you have your full-size spare with some extra room for other equipment. And looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for three with a partial, I believe, ActiveX and cloth interior, fold-out armrest with two cup holders, as well as having a USB, USB-C, and 110-volt power outlet down there. And the backs of the seats have zippered pouches and molly rigging that you can hook equipment onto. This vehicle does have a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your car. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. You also have 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip information, tire pressures, your now playing, fuel economy. You can also go into other settings and information. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as having your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom, and your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stock. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. You do also have a premium B&O sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Moving down, you have your media controls with your auto start, stop, shut off, and hazards, and a little tray here. And further down, you have your climate controls with dual zone front climate, heated front seats, and a heated steering wheel. Below that, you have this cubby area with a USB, USB-C, 12-volt power outlet, and wireless charging pad, so you can throw your phone on there. Then you have your main shifter on a dial, very convenient. Parking brake, brake hold, 2 cup holders, and your GOAT mode selector or drive mode selector for normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Then you've got your center compartment / armrest with plenty of room inside, including another USB and USB-C, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.